Today we're going to install the catalytic converter bank 1 on a 2009 Dodge Challenger V6. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and slap the cap back into its place. And we're just going to take this end and put it right in there. It takes two 5/8 bolts, or I'm sorry, nuts. You will be also using a 15 to secure it. And let's go ahead and get started. You will need an extension and a swivel, and 7/8 to tie up the oxygen sensor. Sweet. Alright, and just go ahead and secure both of these bolts down. Let's go ahead and plug our oxygen sensor back into our cat. Right in there. Alright, and just make sure the oxygen sensor is nice and tight. Alright, and just go ahead and put the screw up here and secure it into place with a 15mm socket. Alright, go ahead and secure it from the top with a 15. Alright, let's go ahead and put this pipe back into its place. Alright, there it is, back in. Let's go ahead and secure this with the 15. And the other side as well. Alright, and we're set. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.